to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a diamond painting to unbox today. Now this is from a company that I've not used before, but it is still a company on AliExpress, and I'm going to show you first off in effect what the picture is, but also what attracted me. So the picture that shows up in the thumbnails shows all these pictures sort of in a frame, which to me grabbed my eye. That's what sort of made me think, oh, okay, I'm gonna have a closer look. So I was doing a search that I do every now and then, and it was just for diamond painting and newly listed, just to see if there's anything out there that catches my eye. Quite often it's been things that aren't a diamond painting, it's been some of the sort of off the canvas type things, but I like the way the seller has said just showed them in a frame. I don't know why, it just caught my eye a bit better, and when I went to have a look, what I also liked, they do a couple of different types of frames, is that they actually show you what the painting looks like in its chosen size. So it does actually show you the diamonds, if you can see that. Try and zoom in. So it shows you the painting size in at least one size of the picture, so that you do get a clear indication of what it is that you're getting. So I actually chose that size, a 40 by 30. I felt that the image that it showed me was clear, and it was nice, and it was a bit different, so I thought I'd give them a go. So the actual store is the Nabi official store, N-A-B-I official store. I will put a link down below, but this painting at the time of my purchase cost £6.31, which I actually also didn't think was too bad for a 40 by 30. So let's have a look and see if the quality of the diamond painting is as good as the quality of their description, which I'm hoping it is. Let me just have a look. Did they have, yes, so they do have the option for round or square, and then they have, of course, the option of different sizes. I did choose a square, so just so you know, this one is a square. So it's come all in a baggie. Diamond painting is wrapped around a foam tube, then we've got the diamonds, and it does look like we've got some tools, but it's all in one bag. So let's get everything out and go from there. Okay, so we have a canvas. It is a bit squooshed on the ends round the foam roller, where the foam roller is a little bit smaller, but it's not on the actual canvas part itself. Looks good. They have their information at the top. We'll have a look at that in a moment. So we do get an inventory sheet, which is always good. Reminder, please check that the number of diamonds is correct. If there is any questions, please contact us. The rest is in a language I don't know, but that is the image, just in case you didn't catch it on my phone. Doesn't actually state the number of the diamonds, so we've got 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 35. So 35 is not bad. It does look to have some interesting characters in here. Is that Russian? I'm not sure if they're Russian characters. I'm trying to work out if that actually is. I don't know. I don't know. There is some interesting ones, but they all look clear. From what I can see, they definitely look clear, and hopefully they will be on the canvas as well. So in a baggie for part of the toolkit is, and to be fair, the quality so far is looking good, but we have some tiny baggies, but they give baggies. We have a foam squishy for the pen. We have some wax. We have a 9 placer and a white tray. white to me is always up there a bit. We have a single placer and a 3 placer on a pink pen, and this is interesting. So this does say Nabi diamond painting, but it is the angled tweezers. Ooh, I've not got any of these. Can you believe? I don't have any angled tweezers, so they will be nice to see what they're like, but they're the nice metal tweezers, they're not plastic. Okay, I'm liking that. I do have one rogue diamond that has appeared, and then all the diamonds come in the packets, so they all come in packets. But that colour diamond is here. Maybe I've got a bag that's split. Is it that colour? No, it might not be actually. Anyway, if any of the diamonds are split, I will find where that one goes, but it does actually look as though it could potentially just be a rogue diamond. It doesn't look the same. But let's have a look at the canvas. Now, it does come with tape on it, which actually is very easy to get off. It's only really, really sticky on the canvas part. Let's get that out of the way. And then we do come on a foam roller, and looking at the back, I do always like to have a look at the back of the canvas. The back of the canvas has got no puckers or bubbles, so we are winning. It does say it's a 40 by 30 that I picked up, and I'm just going to see if I can straighten it out a little bit so that we can get a really good look. Now, it is all one single sheet, so I'm going to do my best to get it up so I can get it laid back down. Ooh. The glue underneath is looking perfecto. There is no problems with that I can see. Let's get the other side up. Try and make sure I do it the same sort of way so that I'm not ripping this top contact paper. Oh, and I have done. See, as soon as I said the word rip, it happened. Let's see if I can... There we go. Get to the point where it's only just that little bit. And would you believe with this image we have no 310. No, we don't. We have no 310. Okay, so look at that. That is pretty stunning. So the symbols, they do seem to use white on the colour quite a lot, which to me is actually making the symbols look a lot clearer. That shine is the glue. That glue is, or the sticky tape, is really nice. So let's see if we can get a bit further down so that you can see more of the image. Of course, it's easier to pull up once you've done it once. But there we go, we've got the full rose and the effect. Very similar to that. So just to show what the image is compared to the diamond painting. Ooh, I am impressed with that. Let's give them the last sort of check, is the canvas size. So I do want to see, is the canvas size the same? So I am looking through just to go through the paper does hang over just a little bit, but if we go to it, it is exactly 30 one way, and that's the drill area. And then starting a bit further up, and we're about 2 millimeters off it being 40 centimeters. So to me, that is a 30 by 40. That is what it's supposed to be. I'm not fighting over 2 millimeters because really, oh, see, I forgot, I've already got a rip there, haven't I? That's not even a diamond, because a diamond is 2.5, is it? 2.5 millimeters. But yeah, let's zoom you in so you can see the sort of quality of the symbols. a little bit better. Hopefully it'll be a bit easier than me lifting it up. But I think they're clear. As I say, they do use a lot of white on the symbol, but when I'm looking at it, that is quite easy. The only thing, I don't know if anybody can see if I can get the shine off it, but we have, in fact, let's use the pointy tweezers to show you. We have W here, so that's a W, and that's an M right next to it. So we do have, and up here, we've got W and we've got M. Very, very close to each other. I would have preferred that to maybe be this symbol down here. You know, that's a completely different colour, or even use that symbol on the green rather than having them very close. But W looks to be the darker colour, and that is 939. So we're actually a lot of dark blue rather than black. And then M is 823. So I will have to be careful when it comes to that. That is probably the only downside, is the W and the M. Very, very close together. That's going to take a little bit of concentration, but I've got bendy tweezers. So let's have a look at what sort of, 939, 33 packets. So let's have a look and see if we do have enough. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 33. So straight up already, 939, 33, that's right. What else do we have a lot of? 796, that should be a blue, isn't it? 796, it is a blue. Oh, there it is. So we should have 10 of these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we do. I like to sort of dig out some of the higher ones. 3, 8, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, which is right. 995, that's a very vivid blue. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For some reason, these bags, while they're thinner, I think they just don't have as much plastic around the outside. But this is 823, 9. 823, we should have 9, and we do. What else have we got? We're on it now. We've got 666, we've got 3. We're on an inventory check. 989, 1. 890, 2. So we've got a few that we've only got one of. 935, 368, 602. While this is a seller I've not used before, rather than assuming that we're going to have every colour, we'll give them a full review and check. So 246, 3842. Oh, we should have 9 of those, so let's keep that to the side because they may still be here. 154, 2, 4, 6, 7. It may be that they are just split up. 798. Can't find it for looking. Just found that there was one over the other side that hadn't moved over. 906. 702. So the greens, it looks as though the greens for the leaves, we've got quite a bit of variety of greens here, so that should give some really nice shading. 986, 3801, 304, 704. Now they are in a grip seal bag, so I'm guessing something went on there. 601, 3766, quite a few that we've only got one of. 3803, 844 632 703, and then we've got 519, so 150. I'm just having a look now where I've sort of missed. Tick tick tick. Here, 825. 825, we've got 4, and then 996, we should have 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, which we do. 3750, should have 6, and we do. 3844, 5, and we do. And then the 3842, we do have extra bags. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, inventory is all correct for that painting. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with it so far. I say, apart from the symbols being very, very close. I'm just going to get all these diamonds in a bag before I end up losing them. Oh, I forgot there's so many 939s, so we'll deal with that in a minute. So the packaging, it got to me safely. I think the canvas is in good condition. I think the glue is in really nice condition. The toolkit to me is sort of an upper class toolkit. As far as toolkits go, you get the white boat. You've got a foam squashy for your pen, which you don't get with all. I've got some angled tweezers, which are new to me anyway. And the symbols are clear. I just have to be careful with W and M. That's the only markdown this company gets, I think. But that glue it's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, that's going to be fun to work on. So yeah, I'll pop a link in the comments below so that you can check this store out yourself. How long did this one take to get to me? That's an idea, because this one wasn't the quickest, but it wasn't too long. So I'm just going to have a look. So I ordered it. Okay, so this took 19 days to get to me, which in the current situation I don't think is bad at all. It's less than 3 weeks for a diamond painting to get to me from China. That could be hit and miss. A company that I've ordered from that is normally very quick, and I normally find they're the quicker company for items to get to me, I'm still waiting for. So some of it is luck of the draw. But yeah, 3 weeks for it to get to me, and I'm liking it. So anyway, waffled on for a while with that one, didn't I? But inventory's all done. Diamond painting is ready to do when I am, and yeah, it's another company that I will probably check out again. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.